run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money.
Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. So today, it is bright and early. We are going to a water park. I think it's Dorney Park. It's like a water park and amusement park. Lots of rides, roller coasters, water rides, water attractions. So it's going to be fun. We're going to spend the whole day out there. And yeah, I'm already in my bikini. So I'm wearing this textured pink and white bikini. I have another pink and white bikini, but I wanted to wear the other one, the bottoms, and this cover up. Before we go, we are gonna go to Wawa and get hoagies and get food and stuff so we have for the day. And at the end of the day, there's gonna be a nice fireworks show. So I don't know if I'm bringing my camera, only because, you know, it's an amusement park. I can't carry you guys around the whole time. So I'm probably vlogging from my phone today. So I bought this cooler a while back and I'm so happy I can finally use it. This is what that looks like. On the top you have two sections for your drinks. An opening so you could just reach right in and grab drinks.
Wow, that's so cool.
And then the inside, it's insulated so everything stays cold, and it's yellow, my favorite color.
Yeah. I didn't know that. Now you have to put ice in it.
Ooh. See, I thought about that in my sleep. I was like, should I put ice in a plastic bag and then put it in that?
Exactly.
You can get ice from Wawa.
Let me see your bathing suit.
Look at me.
So cute. Now for the sunnies, I've decided to wear these. Let's see how they look. Oh, I gotta do something with my hair, but I like how these look. And these are my sandals for the day. Kai is wearing my black ones, and I'm gonna wear my pink ones since I'm on a pink theme. All right, this is gonna be my final beach look. I just have two pieces of hair out in the front. My hair pulled in a puff because once that gets hit by the water and the humidity, back to its natural state. So we're just gonna leave it like this. Got the bathing suit on. Yeah, I think I am gonna vlog on my phone today. So I will see you guys later. Or I could just leave this camera in the car. But what if it overheats because it is a hot day? I'm gonna just vlog on my phone. Okay. Alright, it's an hour and 38 minutes past when we were supposed to leave, but that's okay. We're finally heading out.
So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Yeah, we're in the lazy river now. I went on again this morning.
I'm in my mind and work with you still. Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold on, we gon' function. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas, I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in, I'm feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely.
I wanna be with you. 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 I wanna be with you.
Me just love.
I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Hop in your come on the way. And mine away. I I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Tell you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Taco be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. How about the big one to prove it? Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
There is nobody, so give me a run for my money.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you.
Me just love me.
I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips. And I'ma love you, girl, the way you need. Ain't no one gonna stop us. Ain't no one gonna stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the drug in your vein. Just fight through the pain. It's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need, what you need, what you need. I'm what you need, what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Maybe leave the high heel shoes. 'Cause he's never playing good